Alright, so previously we've finished off with the nodes default category. In this video, we're going to be going through the links default category. So the settings under this tab allow you to customize links for the whole network. As always, within the sample report, you already have a pre-built example that you can explore. But for us, we're going to go into the training view and actually build a visual from scratch. So first things first, let's add an instance of the network visual. Let's disable the background and the title. And as for the setup, the same as before, we can add region and country, and we're going to add total sales in the measure. There we go. Now, if we go into the formatting options and open up links default category, you can see that the first setting that we have here is going to be the link style. So you can choose either to have solid fills, that's going to be done by default, or you can also enable dashed lines. So it's something really quick and also relatively simple. Now, going forward, what you have here are going to be the decorations. So you can actually assign a decoration to the one or the other end of the link. In this case, these are going to be the from or to areas of the link. So the two options that you have here are going to be either arrow or a circle. And of course, you also can choose an option of showing no decorations if those are not necessary. Showing arrows allow you also to this, for example, to depict the flow of the information. So the user better understands where the chart starts from and how it's going forward. Now, the last default setting that you have here is going to be the minimum link width. So this just allows you, for example, to make the links a little bit thicker or noticeable. Now, once we go into the fields, there are actually some additional ones that allow you to further customize the links themselves. And these are going to be right here. So link color and link label numerical. For these cases, we're going to be adding link color right here. And for the label, we're just going to be using total sales again. Now, if we go back to the formatting option for the links default category, you can actually see that we have some additional settings here. The first one is the color mode. So we have three options here: auto, fixed, or dynamic. Auto essentially assigns always one particular color to all the links. The fixed one allows you to choose the color for the links. And the third one, dynamic, allows you to dynamically read the color of the link from the data. Now, afterwards, we have also our font styling options. Since we're enabled, value numerical labels on them, we actually can also style them. So things like font size, color, style, and also family can be customized. Afterwards, you have your background customization. And the last setting that we have here is actually also ability to enable rotate the label with the link. If it's disabled, we can actually zoom in a little bit closer. You can see that the labels are always trying to hold on to a horizontal position for easier readability. But if you want to, you can also enable this setting and it turns the angle of the label so that it follows the flow. Alright, that's going to be it for the links default category, and I'll see you in the next video.